Masterpiece Manager version 11 allows you to create and manage the permissions that you assign to different members of your organization based upon their responsibilities. This gives you the power to enable or to disable access to features of the program with complete flexibility. For example, if you want your salespeople to access only those parts of the program that are necessary for making and managing transactions, but to restrict them from viewing or editing critical financial data, you can. Or if you want to create a role for an accountant or a financial planner that only gives visibility to financial reports, that's totally within your control as well. So let's see how you would do that. Okay. In the program, under the admin module, okay, we want to focus on two items, staff and permissions. Let's start with staff. Here you can create and manage all the people that are involved in your organization that you want to have access to Masterpiece Manager. Your staff will be displayed here in a list, just like any other list in the program. You can sort or you can search this list as easily as you do your inventory. To create a new staff member, you want to click on the plus icon on the action bar. Okay, this will open up a blank record. Here you can add and save the details of this new staff record. Okay. For this exercise, let's go ahead and manage an existing record that's in your data. Here you'll see an existing staff member called Josh. Okay. This control right here will allow you to assign a user permission or a role to this particular staff member. Any roles that you've created previously will be listed in this drop-down. Once you select one of those roles and then save it, this will update the permissions for this staff member so that the next time they log into the program, those user roles will take effect. So now let's learn how we create and manage these roles. We're going to go back to the admin module, okay, and we're going to click on user permissions. If you're just starting with the program, there will be no roles listed here. Okay? As soon as you create them, they'll be listed like every other list in the program. Okay? To create a new role, again, we click on the plus button on the action bar, and this will open a pop-up where you will add and edit the access to the program for this specific role. Okay. The first thing you want to do is add a name for this role. Okay? In this case, I'm going to create a role called Inventory Specialist. Okay. Now we want to begin by adding the specific permissions to each section of the program. When you click on a module, you'll see that you have controls for each feature of that module. Here you can view, you can set whether the user can view, add, modify, delete, or any combination of these. Okay? The program opens up with all of the roles blank, okay, so that there are no permissions assigned. If you want to start with everything assigned, you simply click this, the Select All checkbox at the top, and you'll see that it assigns everything. Okay? Then you can go through and make the permission selections, okay, that you want for this particular role. Once you've gone through each of the modules to make your selections, you simply save, and this new role will be added to the list. You'll see here that Inventory Specialist is added to the list. So now you go back to the staff list under the admin control. Click on staff. Let's open up that existing staff member again, and we're going to assign that Inventory Specialist role, okay, to this staff member. Okay, we're going to click on Save. And the next time this staff member logs into Masterpiece, only those features available in this new role will be enabled. And that's how you create and assign user permissions to members of your organization using Masterpiece Manager version 11.